slowly. Okay, boy! Good boy.
Holy fuck, man!
Just hold high, boy. Hold high. Hold high.
Hold high.
Wine now, boy. Wine. What are you doing, boy?
Holy fuck.
What are you doing? Oh my God!
My arms.
Reel. Don't stop, boy. What the fuck? Higher. Come on, this is a jigging. Let it go. Okay, wait. Good. Why now? Stop. Just wind slowly. Well, Daddy, this is just, I will find something to do it. Just record here, Daddy. Reel, boy, it's yours. Stop it. Daddy. Reel, record, it's recording already. Maybe this boy give me a big fish now. How do you do it for record?
Oh
Let it go. Reel now, reel. What the fuck?
Oh my God, my arms are burning.
What are you doing for record here?
Here. Yeah.
Hey, come on, boy!
Oh my God.
Look at that tiger, man. Look at that tiger.
I'm too fat for this.
Higher! Fuck! You see why it's very important to have the right hand in the rope?
Fucking right. Am I gaining any line?
Daddy, if this line broke it, you and him will beat the pro. Go, boy. Force the fish going to the left. Force it. Good there. It's okay now. Just reel. Slowly, boy. Slowly. Higher. Good. Slowly. Wind a little bit. Don't look to the reel. Relax. Oh. Come on! Don't tell me what
Come on, you son of a bitch!
Why you bring that
Get the
beautiful
fuck in the boat! I can't hold on!
My freaking battery's dying in my camera now.
Why?
Oh, come on, you fucking cocksucker! Oh, motherfucker! I'm gonna die!
Come on, it's yours, boy.
Yeah! Woo! Holy fuck! Come on, you bitch!
You hook for yourself, man. Good boy. Oh, be careful. He tried to go. Be careful. Wind again. Wait.
I don't think I'm gaining any reel.
But you need to reel and put the rod down in the same time. Now. Good. And up again. Up slowly. Slowly, not too hard. Again. Now again. Good. Slowly, boy. You can break the line. Reel. Slowly up. More slowly. Reel, put down again. Slowly up. Oh my God, he's angry now. Be careful.
I don't know how much longer I can hold on.
Be careful. Let it go. Fish is going. Oh my God. Holy shit. Yeah.
Oh my fuck. Woo. Oh, this son of a bitch is a heavy motherfucker.
There you go. Oh my God, it's going again. Daddy, I think. Oh my God, let it go. No problem, let it go.
It's a big tuna!
Okay, you boy. Higher, boy. Little bit higher. Just keep higher like this. Don't put the rod down. Yes. You feel?
Yeah.
It's there, eh? It's alive.
It's alive. Oh,
now it's yours. Wind. Up. Oh my God, it took a long line out. Stop now. Stop it. I get more. He took it all the drag. He the drag of the reel. Slowly. Reel. Pump. Wait, stop. Reel. You understand? No. Slowly. Okay. Record and look to me. Look to me how I'm doing, and you doing after. Look to me. You hold the rod here, okay? Put the rod there. Yeah. Slowly up. You see?
Yeah.
And you wind. Slowly up.
Fuck me.
You see? Yeah. Oh fuck!
How many pounds do you think that is?
I don't know, it's heavy.
Yeah.
This is a row for them, man. Wine. You see? Wine. Oh.
Fuck.
Oh, fucking hell. Look, he broke the rod too.
Oh!
Took him out.
Oh! Oh!